Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 6. We will presentation about small project growth of rice weevil or Cytopilus oryzae on different species. The member of Group 6 is me, Muhammad Fahri Hasan, with number 164, then Anissa Arikawati with number 168, and Gracelananda Puspitasari with number 169. The first is introduction. Cytopolus oryzae is a major cosmopolitan pest affecting store trash in the world. The damage to the grain is caused both larva and adult. The outbreak of this pest makes the store unfit for human consumption. The factor that confer resistance to the grains against infestation by a variety of storage insect are variant. Resistance to pests in stored grains can be manifest as antibiosis. Some properties of the grain affect the insect's biology, such as reducing longevity and increasing mortality, reproduction, and damage. Alternatively, the grain may display anticyanosis, wherein the behavior of the insect are affected and resulting in reduced feeding and oviposition. The method we use is first is use three container of differences. Number one is small size with some temperature and 100 gram of rice. Then number two is medium size with some temperature and 100 gram of rice. And the three large size with some temperature and 100 gram of rice. Then egg container contain 100 gram of rice and 100 rice waffle, 5 male and 5 female.
Okay, and then the result, Cytopilus oryzae is the most destructive pest in rice storage. At the beginning of the week, there were only 5 male of Cytopilus oryzae and 5 female Cytopilus oryzae. In the following week, it was observed that the number of Cytopilus oryzae was more than 10. This means that in the rice grain there were Cytopilus oryzae larvae, which then grew larger and came out of the rice grain. This is the picture. And next, based on the result of observation made using tree treatment, it is known that the treatment with a small container produces a population is not too large. Meanwhile, in the large container produce a large population of Cytopilus oryzae. This is due to the presence of air or oxygen in the container. Oxygen is very important because the smaller container use, the less air exchange between Cytopilus oryzae will be. If the container use is large, it will make it easier for Cytopilus oryzae to breed, so they don't fight with each other to get oxygen. This is because oxygen damage also affect the development of the population of Cytopilus oryzae.
Okay, the next, the large population of Cytopilus oryzae makes the rice it eats turns into flour. This in accordance with Nur-Rahman, which states that the presence of microorganism activity causes rice to experience weight loss during storage. Often the larvae make a kind of imperfect cocoon in the corners of the deposit or the attack material. Furthermore, the affected rice grains become easily broken and crumble like flour. The quality of rice will be completely damaged by this pest attack, which is mixed with the saliva of Cytopilus oryzae. Next. Okay, the next is conclusion of the presentation. Cytopilus oryzae is the most destructive pest in the rice storage. At the beginning of the week, there were only 5 male Cytopilus oryzae and 5 female Cytopilus oryzae. And then the next week, it was observed that the number of Cytopilus oryzae was more than 10. Based on the result of observation made using 3 treatments, it is known that the treatments with a small container produce a population that is not too large. Meanwhile, in a large container produce a large population of Cytopilus oryzae. This is because oxygen demand also affects the development of the population of Cytopilus oryzae. The large population of Cytopilus oryzae makes the rice its turns into flour, and the presence of microorganism activity causes rice to experience white loss during storage. Next, okay, so that's all our presentation about our small project growth of fresh weevil or Cytopilus oryzae on different species. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.